A remote control is a device that allows users to operate electronic equipment from a distance, typically through the use of radio waves or infrared signals. It enables functions such as turning devices on and off, adjusting volume and changing channels, providing convenience and enhancing user experience. Nikola Tesla demonstrated an early version of remote control in 1898 with a radio-controlled boat, showcasing the potential of wireless technology. The first significant remote control for televisions emerged in the 1950s when Robert Adler introduced the first commercially successful remote control, allowing users to operate it from a distance. Over the years, remote controls have evolved significantly, transitioning to infrared technology and, more recently, incorporating features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for convenience and accessibility in everyday life.